You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly, this word I should call it. If you want to learn more names from science, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. You'll definitely want to listen to and learn from. Waning, yes I know, looks a bit like warning, warning, but no, it's pronounced waning. Stress on the first syllable, how to pronounce that's the English pronunciation here. Waning. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.